Architects and interior designers pay close attention to every element of each project. Of all the details, however, commonly overlooked is dishwasher integration. Often connected through a misplaced, roughly sawn hole cut on site, hoses are commonly damaged during installation with the opening left unfinished. Harp Industries has developed a simple and efficient solution, the Cabiseal system. A standardised CNC cutout for production stage with a cover plate for a high-quality finish. Easy to specify, features universal design and offers the highest industry standard finish. Applied to multi-occupancy projects, the Cabiseal system will increase efficiency by eliminating on-site alterations and human error with a 5-second cutout in the optimum location at production stage. The time saved can then be redirected to other site activities. Cabiseal has been patent protected and was commercialised in 2013 through Harp Industries. We supply the Kitchen Group, Australia's largest kitchen manufacturer, as well as leading brands such as Miele. The product is proudly made in Australia, 100% recyclable and available from leading trade suppliers. Specify the Cabiseal system for your next project. Speed up the installation process, increase efficiency and raise the standard of finish.